Now we're going to see the troubleshooting for strainers. The troubleshooting is categorized in two halves. 1. Media or steam leakage through the gasket joints. The second, no flow across the strainer or pressure drop across the strainer. The first category, leakage through the strainer joints. One has to dismantle the strainer cap and check for the gasket. If the gasket is damaged or worn out, replace the same and reassemble the strainer cap. For the second category, pressure drop across the strainer or no flow condition. Check the strainer screen which is present inside the strainer. Dismantle the trap. Remove the screen and check whether the screen is partially blocked or fully blocked. Clean the strainer screen, wire brush, kerosene and compressed air. Check the strainer screen in the source of light for any kind of blockages. Once this is done, reassemble the strainer screen into the body. This is how one troubleshoots the strainers.